ain't. Ain't? Yeah, I ain't got any food. Ian here with a quick English fix, yeah? A short video with a quick solution. Remember contractions and apostrophes? Here's one, ain't. I ain't got any food. You've probably heard it before, and you say, ain't is not correct English, it's not correct grammar. And you're right. So then why am I teaching you? Well, because you need to understand it, because people use it, yes? Okay, it exists, and you'll hear it in songs, in films, in series, and in the street, okay? So in non-standard English, ain't, pronounced ain't or n, sometimes the final T isn't sounded, okay? So it is used as a contraction of be, am not, are not, and is not, and also a contraction of have. Yes, so it's multi-purpose, yeah? So have not and has not. And it's always negative and in the present, yes? Okay, so an example. I ain't going to tell him. This means I'm not going to tell him, yeah? I ain't going to tell him. Noted the pronunciation, yes? So what about this one? A little bit colloquial. Got the wrong geezer. I ain't John. That's him over there, yes? Okay. It means you've got the wrong person, yeah? I'm not John. Now a couple of examples with isn't, yes? Okay. It's snowing. Oh, no, it ain't. Yeah? That's John. Oh, no, it ain't. It's his brother, okay? My car ain't working. And with aren't. Don't talk to me like that. You ain't my boss. Or, no, we ain't teachers, we're students. And with hasn't. Bill ain't been here for ages. Or, my cat ain't come home. And with haven't. Very colloquial. I ain't got no more fags. Yeah? Fags are cigarettes, if you didn't know, yes? So it's I haven't got any more fags, and you haven't got any more cigarettes, yeah? Ain't you got any? Okay, so you can see it's a bit colloquial, but you need to understand it when you hear it, okay? So we don't use it in normal writing, and especially don't use it in exams. Yeah? Your teachers probably wouldn't appreciate that, okay? So it's non-standard, almost is never written, and it is not correct English, okay, grammatically speaking, but it's used a lot, so you will hear it. So don't be surprised when you hear it next time, okay? So give us a like, yeah, and leave a comment below, yes? We really appreciate your comments and likes. Okay, see you in the next one.